was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would let me hide and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I feel asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. And mother would disagree. To get my way, I would run from here to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'll play a song that would never ever end. How love, 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 dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I heard how my cried for him. I pray for her ever more than me. I pray for her ever more than me. I miss my tatay. For much too much, but could you send her the only man you love? I know that you do it usually, but there no words